Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. This side Veronica and you're watching Beauty's Crown. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I stopped my hair fall and how I made my hair so good, so shiny and so healthy in just 4 days. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything and my every secret. So beauties, without delaying, let's get started. So beauties, there are mainly 3 things which I did for my hair, and trust me, I saw a drastic change on my hair. So let's start from the first thing. The first thing is this: scrunchies. Yes, I just stopped using that hairband, that normal hair tie knots or whatever you use on your hair. Just stop using that. Switch it to your scrunchies. Trust me, satin scrunchies. You can see this is my satin scrunchie. This just stopped my hair fall like amazingly, I must say. Whenever I tie my hair with scrunchies, they are so soft, they are so good for my hair that like this. You can see whenever we just tie our hair with our regular band, what it does, it just made our hair like very rough, and whenever we just pull out the normal hair bands, what it does, it brings out your hair too. So always use scrunchies whenever you have to do your, if you're going to do that high pony, if you want to tie up your hair, always use scrunchies, not normal net or velvet scrunchies. Always go with the satin scrunchies. The first thing is satin scrunchies. Go with satin scrunchies. Trust me, you can see change. It will gonna stop your hair fall. The first thing is this. Second thing, beauties, which I did is I stopped using conditioner on my scalp. Yes, using your conditioner on your scalp will lead to hair fall. Yes, it does. I have tried it. Like, I wash my hair like in every 2 days actually, because my scalp is oily. So what I do, I just stop using conditioner on my scalp. I use it only on my ends. I apply the conditioner only on my ends of my hair and little bit on my head, like a little bit amount of conditioner on my head, and then I leave it for not more than 1 minute. I just apply conditioner and leave it only for 30 seconds or 40 seconds, and then I just wash it with normal water. And one more thing, beauties, wash it until you stop getting that foam and that conditioner thing from your running water. So just use your conditioner only on the ends of your hair. Yes, and trust me, you can see a change. It will gonna give you a more shine and more healthier hair, rather if you're applying it on your scalp. Never apply conditioner to your scalp. And beauties, the third thing is my amla extract capsules. Yes, I started taking supplements. I tried biotin supplements. I have made so many videos on my hair supplements, but this supplements gave me a good change in a number of days actually. So this is my AE Naturals Amla supplements. I just started taking it, and in just 3 to 4 days I have seen that my hair stopped falling, literally. So this is the thing. Let me show you the carton and everything. This is AE Naturals Amla extract capsules. It is having vitamin C. This is not only for hair, it is also good for your nails and for your skin too. So on skin, I haven't seen that much change because I am already having a healthy skin, but in hair, yes, I have seen change. So let me tell you what this product claims. This says it is having vitamin C, rich in iron, rich in protein. This is also a detoxifier. Then this is good for skin and hair care. Dietary supplements, beauties. It is a dietary supplements with 60 veg capsules. And then it is written here, take 1 or 2 capsules in morning and 1 in night after food, at least for 3 months. But trust me, I have seen change in just a week actually. You can also continue to use it later. So there are so many things written here. AE Natural capsules is loaded with antioxidant. They are so good for your hair. It will gonna make your hair healthy. It also boost up your immune system. It is also written there. So this is all what this product says, which is written on it. Let me tell you my experience, what I faced, what I see after using this. So in 2 days I have seen that, because I was facing that severe hair fall. My pillow was full of hair and everything. My bed sheet is like, because I was facing that, I was having that problem, my hair fall problem. But so I started taking this. So the firstly, when I started taking it, in 2 days I have seen my hair fall become like, it decreases, my hair fall reduces, and it just made my hair stronger as well as silky too. So I was taking it properly 2 times a day after my breakfast and after my dinner, and in my body anything works very quickly. So this, I can see that now this amla extract is amazing for my hair. As we all know, beauties, that amla is too good for your hair. It makes your hair good, it makes your hair healthy, it makes your hair stronger. And too, so this amla is not only a amla extract, this is having so many things in it: amla powder, bioperine, then amla extract. So naturally it just made my hair so good and I'm loving it. The best part is it stopped my hair. Not only amla, beauties, this product is rich in iron, in protein, and as we all know, protein is amazing for our hair. So that's why you just go and give it a try. You eat it for at least 4 days and 4 to 5 days regularly without skip or without forgetting to take this medicine. Just take it and trust me, this will gonna make your hair so good and so healthy. It will gonna stop your hair fall. So beauty, just go and give it a try. Do these 3 things: scrunchies, you never use a conditioner on your scalp, and eat amla extract capsules. You can go with any amla extract capsules actually, but I went with this AE Naturals because I just love their products. They are very organic and very natural. So I'm recommending this. I'm going to share the link of this product in my description box. So you can just go and give it a try. And trust me, this will not gonna regret you. And now I'm going to eat it too because I just had my dinner and this is night. So I'm going to take 1 capsule of it like this. And I'm going to drink it. Medicine is amazing, and yes, I'm taking it regularly. It helped me a lot with my hair and my skin. So beauties, hope you have liked this video, hope you have enjoyed it. Just go and check this out, try it out. If you're having that severe hair problem, just go and try it out. Hope you have liked this video. Please subscribe my channel. Do follow me on Instagram. See you in my next video. Bye and take care.